Take it upon oneself, yourself, to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today is to take it upon yourself. Take something upon yourself. Guess what? If you're not going to grow and build and supersize your business, who is? People aren't going to just do it for you unless there's something in it for them to do it. So I love this idiom, this expression. It's actually from the Old Testament, chapter 18, verse 23, and it talks about the people and that they need to bear their iniquity, meaning they have to be responsible for what had been assigned to them. And over time, the part about being assigned thing and the meaning of the idiom switched to things that we voluntarily do, things we do that we're not necessarily assigned to do, but we make it our responsibility and we take ownership of that. Again, nobody's going to take ownership for growing and building your business except you. So how does this apply to building and growing and supersizing our business? Well, just like anything else, we are in charge of our own destiny. We're in charge of our own life. We're in charge of creating it what it is we want to see in the world. And that means it's our responsibility. No one outside of us is going to assign that responsibility to us. They're not going to say, go ahead, go out, build the business that you want to build. And maybe you can get somebody to tell you that, but who has the authority to decide what's right for you and what kind of business you should build? It's totally and completely up to you. And it's our responsibility, but along with responsibility comes power and challenges, because when we make choices and decisions for ourselves and what we want to create in the world, we can get help to do it, but ultimately it's us choosing to do that. And wouldn't you rather choose to do the things that you want to do in your life and with your business than what other people tell you you have to do? So that's the idiom I selected to go along with our topic today for this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge. We're working on spiritual well-being and health this month. And today's was a tool I'd forgotten about called Who Does That Belong To? Or Who Does This Belong To? And it's a really, really powerful tool that I actually had forgotten about. I worked on it after my sudden cardiac arrest, and I'm excited that I was reminded of it by one of my sisters yesterday, because there's an app and everything else for it now that makes it a whole lot easier to use. All right, if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'd love to know your experience with take it upon yourself. Are there things that you say yes to and you stand up for and you say, it's my responsibility. I'm going to take responsibility for this. I'm volunteering to. It might be in your church, it might be with a volunteer group, it might be joining forces with other people to have a bigger impact with your business, it might be being a great parent, right? Whatever it is for you. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow.